In this video, I will show you how to create a hyperlink in Adobe Photoshop. To get started, I've added one text layer and one image layer that I want to link to web pages. First, select the Slice tool. You'll find it under the Crop tool. With the Slice tool selected, click and drag over the area you want to turn into a hyperlink. Next, right-click on the selected slice and choose Edit Slice Options. Here, give your slice a name, then enter the URL you want to link it to. For the target, type _blank so the link opens in a new tab, then click OK. Now repeat the same steps for the second slice. Once all your links are set, go to File, then Export and choose Save for Web. Make sure either JPEG or PNG24 is selected, then click Save. Choose your save location and make sure HTML and images is selected as the format. Name the file and click Save. Photoshop will create an Images folder along with an HTML file. Open the HTML file and you'll be able to click on the text or image and see each link open correctly. And that's how you can create a clickable link in Adobe Photoshop. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.